Hello everyone and welcome to FAMTech Smarter Design, leveraging technologies for strategic, connected project planning. Happening today, May 8, 2025. We are so excited to have you join us in this virtual session. Thank you for being part of this innovative gathering where technology meets strategic design. In this session, expect practical insight on design innovation, smart technologies, and digital solution. Each track brings a fresh and unique perspective, so be sure to explore as many as you can throughout the event. To help you navigate this virtual experience, here's a quick guide. First, click on Introduction and Info for general event details and live session access. Check out Exhibitor section to explore featured products and chat directly with brand representatives. Need some help or have some question? Visit the community room to connect with our support team or raise any technical concerns. Need some help? After watching this session, don't forget to complete the quick post-track survey. Two lucky viewers will win 250 Gcash vouchers, and winners will be selected based on the number of correct answers across the tracks we have watched. That means the more tracks you explore and answer, the better your chances of winning. Fantech's marketing team will contact the winners after post-event validation. Are you thinking of joining us in person? We'd love to see you. Just head to the location menu for venue details and give our dedicated number a call to confirm your attendance on site. And while you're here, don't miss the exhibitor section where you can chat with our partner brands, discover new solutions, and even unlock exclusive offers. And if you need help along the way, the community room is always open for your questions and concerns. To stay updated and connected beyond today, simply scan the QR code that you can see on screen and follow Fantech's official Viber and MS Teams communities. You'll get access to exclusive content, special offers, and timely event updates. If you need assistance, you can reach us out anytime through our email inquiry at fantech-innovative.com. You can also contact our hotline at 0968 614-0597. Also, be sure to follow FamTech Innovative on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more updates. Just search our name on your favorite platform. And now, let's dive into today's track and hear from one of our incredible thought leaders. Enjoy and be inspired.
Good day, everyone. My name is Leanne Bolsico. You can call me Lay or LA, whatever you prefer, and I'm proud to serve as your solution engineer of VSD ECS handling the Autodesk broad base. And today, I'm excited to share insights into powerful tools, the Autodesk broad base. We'll kick things off with an in-depth look at Autodesk broad base, exploring how it can enhance your workflows and drive innovation. And just to give you a context, when we say Autodesk Broadbase, it offers a suite of powerful tools designed para ma-accelerate yung creativity natin and to streamline the workflows. And with products like AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, and Revit LT, it covers everything from 2D drafting to 3D modeling and building information. So dito, whether you are an engineer, architect, or designer, yung mga tools na to, it help you improve the precision, automate tasks, and enhance collaboration. Let's start first with AutoCAD. When we hear AutoCAD, ano yung pumapasok sa isipan natin? Madalas, di ba, when we hear AutoCAD, we think about floor plans. Sure, totoo naman na sa workflow ng floor plan natin or designing floor plans, pumapasok dyan si AutoCAD. Because it's a CAD solution and a CAD tool as well. But this one, AutoCAD before was just AutoCAD alone. And now it comes with the 7 including specialized licenses. What do I mean by that? Mas exciting ngayon si AutoCAD because when you purchase a license or a single license ni AutoCAD, magkaka-access ka sa 7 specialized toolsets. At ang mga toolsets na yon ay ang architecture, mechanical, electrical, Map 3D, MEP, Plan 3D, and yung raster design. And apart from those access to the 7 specialized toolsets, magkakaroon ka rin ng access over 750,000 plus intelligent objects and parts with industry libraries. So imaginein mo na lang yung convenience that you don't have to manually create or design a specific object or part because you can just easily drag and drop it with your fingertips. Just a quick refresher about AutoCAD. Kung naalala nyo, yung manual drafting before, ba? It was like an endless revisions, and of course, costly errors and hours spent redrawing plans. And when AutoCAD came into existence, it changes that completely. So with its powerful 2D and 3D design tools, kasama na dyan yung automation features natin and specialized toolsets, you can now draft, design, and document in a fraction of the time. Syempre, it not only eliminates repetitive tasks but also boosts accuracy dahil mas makakapag-focus ka na sa pag-create and not fixing mistakes. So, si AutoCAD, it's not just a tool, okay? It's a solution that makes your work faster, smarter, and more efficient. Simulan natin ang discussion na to with the architecture toolset. And sa architecture toolset, makakapag-streamline ka ng mga architectural design dahil it provides access to thousands of pre-built architectural objects katulad ng doors, windows, and walls para makapag-reduce ng repetitive work. Meaning to say, you don't have to manually create those, diba? You can just easily drag and drop itong mga objects na to that you need for your workflow. And for instance, makita natin short clip na to. Yung mga styles natin ay imported sa drawing with just one click using the styles browser. Dito makakapag-import ka and apply ng mga styles from the drawing sa content library, the architecture toolset, and from the drawing file, you can just select the wall style that you want to add and double-click para makapag-start ka ng wall command and then you can start the drawing. And as you can see, the wall style now is imported to the drawing and you can also add door sa wall natin and you can select it from the standard drawing. And same with the wall, just double-click it and add the door to the wall. And if you want to change the door style to hinge double, pindutin nyo lang ulit yung door and then select new style, then right-click and apply style to selection. And we have what we call the property palette sa new style natin. Papansin natin na applied na siya sa ating door. Isa pa sa magandang feature ni Architecture Toolset is that makakapag-create ka ng selection from the project navigator. It helps you manage the construction documents. So sa tool palettes natin, we can select the section mark callout. Then the architecture toolset will prompt you to define yung location and the depth of the section. And you can just simply use the callout dialog box para makapag-modify ng elevation or section view. And next, you need to specify which portions of the project will be included sa view natin. And then by checking the boxes in the project tree, yung section is generated based sa specified portion ng design natin. So, ganyan makakatulong si architecture toolset sa ating workflow, especially for our architects and engineers. The next toolset that we have is the mechanical toolset. So, perfect siya for the engineers designing machinery. So, you will have access to 700,000 plus intelligent parts and you can just drag and drop the components katulad ng bolts, gears, and shafts. And of course, not just that, it also automates tasks like nakakapag-generate siya ng mga machine components or creating bulks or tinatawag natin na bills of materials, which means na makakapag-spend ka na less time on documentation and more time on innovation. So for example, if you're designing a gearbox assembly, it becomes seamless with ready-to-use templates kay mechanical toolset. And you can see here na makakapag-insert tayo ng entire screw assemblies sa short clip na to by using single command. So for instance, you want to add the screw connection in the specific part. Just select the screw connection wizard from the ribbon and it lets you select all the parts you need for the screw connection one by one. After you select your specific screw connection, you can now insert the screw connection in the drawing. And the mechanical toolset will prompt you to mark the length of the two holes. Then it will calculate the length of the bolt and draw the screw connection. So, ganun mapapabilis na mechanical toolset ang workflow mo sa pagde-design mo ng machinery. And not just that, of course, if you're tired of creating mechanical layers manually, Si toolset na to or si mechanical toolset is good for you kasi you can save time with power dimensioning. Makakapag-leverage tayo ng pre-configured symbols and it also helps with pre-drawn parts and features. The next one we have is the Map 3D toolset. Si Map 3D toolset, it bridges the gap between GIS and CAD. And it lets you incorporate yung mga geographic data natin sa mga design natin na mahalaga sa mga projects natin like urban planning or infrastructure. And of course, dito, makakapag-connect tayo directly sa mga databases natin or web services para makapag-overlay tayo ng real-world spatial data sa mga CAD designs natin. So, for instance, designing a new road, get into data sa mga land contours natin, zoning, and utilities. So, meron tayong tatlong main workspaces kay Map3D toolset. Una dyan si planning and analysis. So, it's used for big picture tasks like land use, planning, and GIS analysis. It also allows you para makapag-connect ka ng data sources like yung mga tinatawag natin na shape files or databases. And it even helps you to style your map, analyze the areas using tools like buffers. And you can even publish your maps online. The second workspace that is available kay Map3D toolset is the 2D drafting. So it focuses on DWG file editing. So you can import files, clean up errors like duplicates, and update yung mga designs with familiar AutoCAD tools. And this workspace is great for creating detailed construction plans. The third workspace that we have with our Map3D toolset is the maintenance, designed for managing GIS models, and it ensures your data is accurate, lets you trace network, digitize assets, and create reports, all while meeting the standards. Fourth toolset that we have is the MEP toolset, or what we call the Mechanical Electrical Plumbing toolset. So for MEP engineers natin, this toolset simplifies the design of complex building systems. Mayroon tayong access to thousands of objects for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. And here you can also create detailed layouts for ductwork, conduits, and circuits. So for example, kapag nagde-design ka ng HVAC system for a large office building, with the MEP toolset, it becomes more efficient with pre-built components and intelligent routing tools. So for this clip naman, it just shows how the MEP toolset makes designing mechanical system faster and easier. Earlier, nakita natin na nakapag-place tayo ng components like ng valve box and ng air terminal na yan using the compass. And we can position and orient them accurately gamit yung compass tool na tinatawag natin. And the toolset also lets us assign important data like yung airflow rates na ginagamit natin for dock sizing and creating construction documents. Meron din tayong feature na tinatawag na add dock plus script para makapag-layout tayo ng mga docks natin sa design natin quickly, and it automatically matches the right size and shape based on airflow and even suggests the best routing options when connecting parts. And finally, we can switch to a 3D view para mas makita natin ng buo and mas clear yung system design natin. And with the MEP toolset, or MEP toolset, it helps save time, reduce errors, and focus on creating efficient designs. And the fifth toolset that we have is the electrical toolset. And it's a game changer sa mga electrical engineers natin. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Because it includes an extensive library of symbols for electrical control systems. Sabihin na natin yan from relays to circuit breakers. You can just quickly create schematic diagrams or panel layouts with automated numbering and error checking. So, for instance, kapag nagde-design ka ng control panel for a factory, it's much faster and more precise with the electrical toolset. So itong short clip na to, it just gives us an overview kay electrical toolset, and it helps you manage project, create, and insert components. So, it also includes yung automation like wire numbering and tagging. So you can just easily add symbols from the catalog or icon menu na tinatawag natin. Kasama na dun yung wires adjustment when symbols are moved. So the toolset also features a circuit builder for quickly designing circuits and selecting wire sizes. And not just that, it allows you to create panel layouts, track schematic components, and generate customizable reports like yung bumps natin. And you can output project drawings to multi-page PDFs Kasama na doon yung hyperlinks for easy navigation between related components and drawings. Dahil sa feature na to, may tinatawag tayo na surf or surf command. The sixth toolset that we have is the Plan 3D toolset. So imagine na nakatask ka na mag-design ng yung industrial plant. And with the Plan 3D toolset, it allows you and enables you para makapag-create ka easily ng detailed 3D models ng entire plant, including na doon yung piping, equipment, and structures. And it helps you to visualize how everything fits together and make adjustments as needed, all within a digital environment with the Plan 3D toolset. And one of the key features ni Plan 3D is yung extensive catalog of plant-specific components katulad ng valves, pumps, and tanks, which you can easily drag and drop into your designs. And this saves time and ensures accuracy by using standardized components that meet industry requirements. So you don't have to manually create yung mga components and objects na to that you need to your design. Last but not the least, the raster design toolset. Para siyang digital scanner and editor for engineers, architects, and designers. Dahil it helps you work with scanned paper drawings. Kasama na dyan yung maps natin, satellite images, and other raster graphics. So just take note of the word raster. You're giving your old designs a digital makeover. And of course, it speeds through your designs with up to 48% more productivity. Kung may mga old designs kayo that you want to bring to life again, you can use raster design toolset and modify it. And the next one that we have is the AutoCAD LT. Sino nga ba si AutoCAD LT and anong pinagkaiba niya kay AutoCAD full version natin? Si AutoCAD LT para siyang stripped down version ng full AutoCAD software. So, nagfo-focus siya mainly sa fundamentals ng 2D drafting, making it accessible and affordable for professionals who primarily work sa mga 2D design. And it's a go-to for powerful, precise 2D drafting without the extras that you don't need. Just to give you a quick overview between AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT, ngayon na may two great options tayo, both give you the core features that you need for drafting. Pero ito yung difference natin. Once again, si AutoCAD yung full package natin. It offers both 2D and 3D capabilities. Kasama na doon si 3D modeling, visualization, and rendering. And not just that, yung access natin sa 7 including specialized toolsets once you purchase single license of AutoCAD. And of course, the access sa AutoCAD mobile app, AutoCAD web app, and access to the Autodesk App Store. And of course, we have the AutoCAD LT, diba? Mainly focus on the 2D fundamentals. So if you're looking for versatility and efficiency, AutoCAD is your go-to. But if your focus, once again, is for the 2D drafting, and you want a solid, reliable tool, AutoCAD LT has you covered. And of course, meron din kayong access sa mobile app and web app with the AutoCAD LT. And marami gumagamit ng mga basic drafting tools na hindi optimized para sa productivity and efficiency. At itong pinapakita ko sa inyo na percentage, tatag natin na overall productivity gain ay base sa Autodesk AutoCAD studies. So ayon sa study, ang AutoCAD ay may 74% overall productivity gain kumpara sa AutoCAD LT dahil sa automation at advanced tools nito. So mas mabilis ang trabaho, mas maraming magagawa sa mas maikling oras, at mas malaking ROI or return of investment. Ang pangatlong solution na ino-offer sa atin ni Autodesk Broadbase ay ang Revit LT. Sino nga ba or ano nga ba ang Revit LT at para saan siya? Si Revit LT para siyang simplified version ng full version ni Revit na nagfo-focus sa core aspect ng BIM, tinatawag natin na Building Information Modeling. So if you are a small architecture studio or a solo practitioner, Revit LT is your go-to tool for affordable, high-quality design, and it brings you all the essential power of building information modeling. Dito, makakapag-create ka ng detailed 3D models, generate precise construction documentation, and streamline your work. And it helps you win more projects, especially sa mga markets where BIM is a requirement without the heavy price tag. And that's the Autodesk Broadbase, AutoCAD IST, AutoCAD LT, and drive it out. And now let's proceed to the exciting part of this presentation. What's new in AutoCAD 2026? Let's watch this short clip.
Great design doesn't come into this world by chance. It takes imagination, determination, and iteration after iteration after iteration. For millions of designers and makers worldwide, AutoCAD is where that happens. Every year, we enhance AutoCAD further, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether that's efficiency improvements, like up to 11 times faster file opening and 4 times faster startup. Game-changing innovations like Autodesk AI, which unlocks powerful insights and immediate ways to accelerate your creativity. Intelligent features like Smart Blocks, which let you quickly define and group objects so you can roll out edits project-wide. Or workflow optimizers like Autodesk Docs and AutoCAD on the web, which help you collaborate and sync feedback from multiple reviewers on projects. Great design doesn't come into this world by chance. Great design starts here. AutoCAD, trusted by millions.
And indeed, AutoCAD is trusted by millions. And this is the latest version of the world's most trusted design and drafting software. Sa AutoCAD 2026, na-improve ang productivity ng users, lalo na sa tools for precision and automation. Plus, may mga bagong features na pwedeng mag-integrate ng mas maayos sa workflows ng mga users natin or even us professionals para less hassle sa switching between different tools. Mas mabilis, mas efficient, and mas seamless. Now, I want to introduce to you the 3 core pillars of Autodesk AutoCAD: accelerating creativity, connected design experience, and tailored functionality. So, minsan, may mga users na nahihirapan mag-focus sa creativity nila dahil sa software limitations. Mahirap din mag-collaborate with teams at minsan hindi aligned yung functionality sa specific needs nila. So, ngayon, with these 3 core pillars, mas mabilis, mas connected, at mas efficient ang mga users natin ngayon, making them more productive while achieving their design goals with less effort. The first core pillar that we have is the accelerate creativity. Sabi nga ni Marcus O'Brien, the Vice President of AutoCAD, he says, Autodesk is committed to creating the most performant CAD tool in the market. Bakit? Users often waste a lot of time waiting for files to load, di ba? Especially sa mga complex 2D and 3D files na nagre-result sa mga delayed project timelines natin. Pero ngayon, with the AutoCAD 2026, yung 2D and 3D files natin will open 11 times faster compared sa AutoCAD 2025. And anong benefit natin dito? Unang-una dyan, time savings na pwede na nating magamit para mas maraming projects na magawa, improving overall productivity and faster project delivery. Mas konti na ang downtime with AutoCAD 2026. And syempre, delays in opening files can disrupt workflows and hinder our satisfaction, especially when working under tight deadlines. Kaya kay AutoCAD 2026, it ensures that files will open 4 times faster compared kay AutoCAD 2025. So this is a major speed-up upgrade that will change how we work day-to-day. Sabi nga ni Alan Neal, the Chief Engineer of Foresight Group, overall startup in AutoCAD 2026 is blazing fast, particularly opening files. And I want to introduce to you the Autodesk AI. And everyone is familiar with the trend or industry trend na itatawag natin na AI. Siyempre, kapag AI, what comes to our mind first, ChatGPT, Gemini, even the Copilot. And of course, gusto natin na nasa forefront tayo ng industry standard or industry trend. That's why we leverage AI, what we call here the Autodesk AI. And with Autodesk AI, users can now automate processes, analyze designs intelligently, and even enhance the workflows. And it reduces the workload while boosting the design precision. One of the latest enhancements with our Autodesk AI is the Smart Blocks Search and Convert. We already have this one mula sa ating previous version na si AutoCAD 2025. So si vSearch, formerly known as vConvert, it finds all instances of the same geometry sa drawing natin for efficient block conversion. Sa release na to, si Search and Convert natin, it also finds yung mga text variations para ma-convert natin sa block attributes. And this new capability is helpful for classifying repetitive but variable types of text, such as hotel room numbers or room names. So once you decide to convert matching instances sa block natin, or to a block, you will see the preview thumbnail. And now you can easily see the selected object and text variation along with converting matching instances sa block or to a block. And you can then specify attribute tags for text variations by clicking define attribute tags. And you can now start search and convert by easily accessing it from the recon. Dahil from the previous version, wala siya sa repo natin. You just have to type it there. Included in our smart blocks enhancement is the detect and convert text preview. So BDetect, previously known as detect, uses machine learning para ma-identify at mag-group yung similar objects sa drawing natin for easy block conversion. Kapag sinabi nating tech preview, it means na yung detection capability and functionality niya ay nag-improve since last release natin and will continue to improve. This feature relies on machine learning algorithms. What are the key differences for Smart Block Search and Convert and Smart Blocks Detect and Convert Tech Preview? For the Search and Convert, it requires the user to select the geometry that they wish to convert, and then AutoCAD finds all matching. See, Detect and Convert naman, it automatically scans the entire drawing without user selection to find potential candidates for block conversion. And in summary, while both tools aim to enhance yung efficiency natin by promoting the use of blocks, Search and Convert is user-driven dahil nagpo-focus siya sa pagko-convert ng selected repetitive geometries. Si Detect and Convert naman, it's an automated feature that proactively identifies and suggests block conversions throughout the entire drawing natin. The next core pillar that we have is the connected experience. So alam natin na sa ngayon, palaki ang role ng connectivity sa workflow. Maraming users, especially yung mga laging on the go, ang nahihirapan mag-access ng kanilang designs anytime and anywhere, lalo na kapag nasa field or remote areas sila. Hindi rin laging may access sa desktop computer. Tama po ba? So the solution is this. With the AutoCAD 2026, we now offer a connected experience because users can access AutoCAD on their desktop, web, or mobile devices. This means that whether you are in the office, at a construction site, or working remotely, your designs are always within reach. And we have here AutoCAD Mobile and AutoCAD Web. Let's have first the AutoCAD Web. So isa sa mga common challenges ng mga users, lalo na yung mga nagka-transfer ng files between devices, is the need to install heavy software on every machine just to open and edit CAD files. And add to that, not all computers are compatible with the latest software versions. And with the AutoCAD 2026 addresses this with AutoCAD on the web, where users can now review and mark up 2D and 3D CAD drawings directly sa browser, no need for installations or heavy software. This even includes yung mga DWG files created sa architecture toolsets. To access the AutoCAD on the web, just have to log into web.autocad.com. One of the cloud-based solution platform that we offer is the AutoCAD on mobile. Marami pa rin sa atin na nahihirapan mag-edit or mag-view ng CAD drawings, diba? While you're on the move, say not everyone has access sa laptop or desktop throughout the day, especially kapag nagta-travel tayo or on-site. But now with AutoCAD on mobile, we can view, edit, and even create CAD drawings right from our phones or tablets anywhere and anytime. So para bang work offline and sync later. So this flexibility allows us to keep our workflows running smoothly even while we are away from our main workstation. Let me introduce to you the Autodesk Docs. This is your go-to common data environment, and it's a cloud-based platform where teams can work together efficiently, securely storing and managing all project data in one place. Meaning to say, you will have access to unlimited storage and collaboration. Sabi nga ni Dania L. Hassan, the Director of Product Management, AutoCAD, with this release, architecture, engineering, and construction customers who use AutoCAD can experience enhanced capabilities with Autodesk Docs that will allow them to transform the way their teams work and experience digital project delivery. But one of the latest enhancements that we have in collaboration is the markup import and markup assist. Improvements were made to markup import and markup assist, namely when importing markups from Autodesk docs to AutoCAD, making it easier for drafters to incorporate revisions. So dito na papasok yung interoperability ng ating AutoCAD tool to the desk docs and vice versa. With the markup assist, it can now detect text, strike-throughs, and boundary markups, which can be inserted as rev clouds or tinatawag natin na vision clouds on PDFs that are imported in sync from Autodesk docs. From the previous release, when using markups with Autodesk docs, Markup Assist can now detect markups on the PDF that weren't created in Autodesk docs. That's the current enhancement that we have in AutoCAD 2026. And earlier, as I've mentioned, in the previous release, once a PDF was uploaded to Autodesk docs, anything or any existing markups on PDF, for example, yung mga markups na created in Adobe or with another markup software, could not be detected by Markup Assist, and instead were only visible as part of the background image that was overlaid in the trace workspace. In this release, AutoCAD 2026, Markup Assist can now detect these types of markups. One of the latest features that we have in AutoCAD 2026 for our collaboration is the multi-user markup early access. So sa latest update sa AutoCAD Web, meron na tayong tinatawag na multi-user markups. Ibig sabihin, hindi na kailangan ng multiple versions or mag-send ng feedback via email. Pwede nang mag-comment, mag-markup, at magbigay ng feedback directly sa drawing mismo in real time. So here's how it works. Gamit ang ating updated share command sa AutoCAD Web, pwede kang mag-generate ng markup link. Share mo yan sa teammates mo and lahat kayo may access sa same file inside the same Autodesk Docs project. Hindi na kailangan mag-duplicate ng data and walang file locking. So kahit sabay-sabay pa kayo mag-review, okay lang. Using trace layers, bawat markup nila is sync back sa designer in real time. As in, habang nagma-markup sila, updated ka na agad. So now, mas madali na ang collaboration. No lost comments, no miscommunication, and no waiting. It's like meeting over the drawing kahit virtual lang. And this is one of the latest features as well for our Autodesk Docs and AutoCAD, the connected support files. So if you've ever opened a DWG file and suddenly nagkaroon ng missing font, can't find plot style, or your template is just gone, di ba ang sakit sa ulo? Pero good news, AutoCAD 2026 just made all that way easier. And let's talk about something called connected support files. So think of it like this. Dati, di ba, bawat machine, kailangan mo siyang i-configure isa-isa. Yung fonts, yung plot styles, templates, even the line types. You do that manually. Kapag may bago sa team or bagong PC, ulit na naman. So, paulit-ulit yung workflow natin. Pero ngayon, with AutoCAD 2026, it handles that for you. Basta nakasave ang project mo sa Autodesk Docs. The support files are now project aware. Ibig sabihin, alam na ng AutoCAD kung anong project ang binuksan mo. Kusang hinahanap niya yung mga support files na kailangan based sa setup ng project. One-time setup, shared sa buong team, less hassle, more hassle. And latest enhancements for our activity insights. Meron na tayong tinatawag na what's changed. So what's changed natin, it provides an overview of edits made between saved activities, allowing you to efficiently continue your work. So kapag kinlik natin as yung saved activity tile in the activity insights palette, makita mo na doon yung what's changed inside sa activity properties panel. So yung insight na to, it provides a high-level summary of changes made during each edit session. And this can help you know what happened since you last worked in the drawing and continue where you left off. And ano ba yung mga nadagdag na details sa summary natin or sa what's changed details natin. So makikita natin dito yung list of changes for specific objects. Nandiyan din yung workflow breakdown based sa command execution, even the elapsed edit time and the file size changes. So each insight includes a thumbs up or down feedback option, allowing you to rate its helpfulness. And additionally, you can provide more specific feedback through the Help Us Improve link in the What's Changed header. And of course, we hope this new addition to Activity Insights enhances your collaboration and streamlines your workflow as well. And take note, you must be connected to the internet to receive the What's Changed insight. And the third core pillar that we have is the tailored functionality. We'll know that every industry has unique workflows, that AutoCAD's default setup may not always align with those specific needs. So the solution we offer is that AutoCAD 2026 offers tailored functionality that lets clients customize their software to fit their industry needs, whether it's architecture, engineering, or construction. The enhancement that we have for AutoCAD 2026 for Autolist is this. But let's tackle first the problem that the professionals are encountering. We all know that many users have legacy programs or custom tools na ginagamit built with Autolist, pero minsan, they were not always compatible with the AutoCAD LT from the previous version of AutoCAD. And with AutoCAD LT, it now supports the Autolist, fast load Autolist, and even the visual list applications, allowing you to run your custom scripts and programs. And for the apps and APIs, we often need specialized tools and apps that are not available in AutoCAD's base features. What do I mean by that? May mga tools na kailangan sa workflow natin na hindi native kay AutoCAD. The solution that we provide you is the apps and APIs. It allows you to provide access to over 1,000 third-party apps, plus yung ability for clients or for you to build your own custom apps using the AutoCAD API. And with that, you can extend AutoCAD's functionality to meet your specific needs, improving productivity and giving you flexibility in your workflows. And for you working in a specific industry, generic toolsets may not provide the necessary features or parts for your designs. So AutoCAD's toolset provide these specialized toolsets for different industries like architecture, mechanical design, electrical components, making it easier to access industry-specific features and functionality. And this is based on the Autodesk AutoCAD study that each toolset, when you leverage it, you will gain this productivity gain. Take note that it also depends on the expertise level of the user. And to give you an overview, you may sometimes find it hard to complete tasks quickly if you lack the right tools for your industry, diba? And studies show that using AutoCAD's specialized toolsets can increase productivity by up to 63%. And here, you will experience faster completion of the task with fewer errors, leading to quicker turnaround times and more profitable projects. And I want to share with you our articles for the latest version of AutoCAD 2026, from AutoCAD Architecture 2026 to AutoCAD Map 3D 2026, and I encourage everyone to visit our website for more information. And indeed, AutoCAD 2026 is trusted by millions. This is our AutoCAD 2026 portfolio. And you can choose the right version that fits your needs and budget, ensuring that you get the best value and functionality of your project. And share you with the system requirements for our AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets. You can take a screenshot or you can take a photo of it. And if you need the details, at least the soft copy, you can directly email me or contact me via Viber. We also have additional requirements for the toolsets that we have from AutoCAD Map 3D to AutoCAD Raster Design. So basically, umiikot lang siya sa memory basic requirement natin na 16 gig with the recommendation of 32 gig. Of course, this space for 20 gig. Alright, so that ends with my presentation. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope this presentation has shown how the Autodesk broad base can elevate your work and bring real value to your business. If you have any further questions or need clarification on anything we've discussed, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you make the most informed decision for your team's future success. Let's keep your projects moving forward.